Hey everyone, down at Dave's farm today. It's a nice chilly morning. Haven't been here since I'd say middle of November. Yeah, lots of snow around. Just gonna head up to the Dodge, grab a battery and try and fire her up. See what happens, you know. So, see you in a minute. Well, I'm up here at the hill. Took the quad up. Now I'm just gonna, oh, there she is. It's been sitting for, yeah, since sometime in November, so battery's completely flat in her. A lot of good times with her, but yeah, positive it's completely flat. Oh yeah, nothing. Well, I'll get back to you in a second there. And there she be. That good old 318, sleeping long sleep. No mouse nest or nothing in the carb, so that's good. Little 2-barrel holley. There she is.
Pumping
Well,
thing going.
got this new battery in here. See how she fires. Oh, quarter tank maybe?
Ah, pump that thing. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, buddy! Woo! Oh, son of a... Oh, hell yeah.